The Ten Commandments of Computer Ethics. Number 1. Thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. Number 2. Thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer work. Number 3. Thou shalt not snoop around in other people's computer files. Number 4. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. Number 5. Thou shalt not use a computer to be your false witness. Number 6. Thou shalt not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid. Number 7. Thou shalt not use other people's computers' resources without authorization or proper compensation. Number 8. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. Number 9. Thou shalt think about the social consequences of the program you are writing or the system you are designing. Number 10. Thou shalt always use a computer in ways that ensure concentration and respect.